QuickBooks is one of, if not the most popular accounting tools of the 21st century. It has two main versions with pretty significant differences. These versions are QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. So which one is better for your business? Starting with QuickBooks Online. First of all, QuickBooks Online is cloud-based, which means you can access your accounting data from anywhere on any device with internet access. Because of this, QuickBooks Online is perfect for teams that need remote access since multiple users can log in at the same time from anywhere in the world. So let's summarize it with some pros and cons of QuickBooks Online. Pros of QuickBooks Online are it's accessible from anywhere with internet access, multiple users can collaborate in real time, it has time-saving automation with real-time syncing, and it has automatic updates and backups. The cons are it requires a monthly or annual subscription, it has a limited offline functionality because it requires internet access, it has fewer advanced accounting features compared to QuickBooks Desktop. Now let's talk about QuickBooks Desktop. Unlike QuickBooks Online, the desktop version is installed locally on your computer, meaning you don't need an internet connection to access your data. This gives you full control over your software and its performance. QuickBooks Desktop is ideal for businesses with more complex accounting needs. It offers powerful industry-specific features, especially with QuickBooks Desktop Premier or QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise. You can create detailed sales orders, manage batch invoicing, and generate custom reports tailored to your industry. It's also a one-time purchase, so you avoid monthly subscription fees. However, keep in mind that updates aren't automatic. You'll need to manually upgrade to new versions when necessary. Now let's take a look at the pros and cons of QuickBooks Desktop. The pros are it requires no internet connection to access data, it has more advanced accounting features for complex needs, it has industry-specific tools including sales orders and batch invoicing, and it's just a one-time purchase with no recurring subscription fees. It also allows for greater control over software and performance. The cons are it has limited accessibility because it's only available to the computer where it's installed. It has no real-time syncing or collaboration for multiple users. It requires manual updates to access the latest features, and it requires regular data backups as it doesn't do this automatically. Both QuickBooks Online and Desktop are great choices, but it just depends on what your company values and needs. QuickBooks Online is a fantastic choice if you're looking for an easy-to-use, automated, and mobile-friendly solution that helps you manage your finances from anywhere. If you need advanced features and offline access, or if your business handles complex transactions and industry-specific tasks, QuickBooks Desktop could be the better fit for you. Well, I hope this video helped give you a clear picture of which QuickBooks version might work best for your business. And as a reminder, this video is brought to you by the team at EBizCharge. EBizCharge is a payment processing solution that integrates seamlessly with both QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. This allows your business to accept credit card payments right from the QuickBooks platform without the need for any third-party software. Your customers will be able to pay invoices online through secure payment links, speeding up cash flow. Payments sync automatically within QuickBooks, which means no more manual data entry. Everything is tracked and updated in real time, saving you hours of work. So if you're looking to streamline your payment process and get paid faster, integrating EBizCharge with QuickBooks is an easy, efficient solution for your business. Thanks for watching.